One of the conservative activists behind the U.S. Supreme Court decision for affirmative action has now decided to sue a VC firm that is supporting Black women business owners. The suit was filed in Atlanta against the Fearless Fund. The fund has a Fearlessly Strivers grant competition that provides between $10,000 to $20,000 to Black female entrepreneurs to help scale their business. The suit alleges that the Fearless Fund is practicing unlawful racial discrimination, Section 1981 of the Civil Rights Act of 1866. This is a U.S. law barring racial biases in private contracts. And because the fund is only available to Black women, this is where they claim the discrimination lies. I will never not be amazed at how people take things, safeguards that were created for Black people, for marginalized and disenfranchised communities, and try to weaponize those same laws against us.
Listen, this is happening all over the place. I was trying to pull up something that's happening literally right now, but let's just talk about this one first. So this, I think it's Ariane Simpson. I forget how much money she has in this Fearless Fund. Tira, if you can find it for me, please do. It's some ultimate millions of dollars of funding that she has generated. And by generated, I mean gone out, knocked on the doors, done all the things to be able to go and give to Black women. And they did not want this woman to have this money or to specifically and or only give it to Black people, Black women, which are marginalized, which are minority. Like you have minority certification so that you can specifically go out and help minorities. People get funding to go and help minorities, and Black women, we're considered a double minority. And so the other thing is when you get this type of funding and you can help a business, we know that that business is going to do better because they're going to have the capital and the means to do better. So ultimately, in my opinion, what they're saying is we don't want you to help Black women to do better. We don't want you to help their businesses do better. We know that their businesses are starting faster than anybody else, but we don't want them to be as successful as everybody else. Ariane Simone, co-founder of the Fearless Fund, has raised and managed a $25 million to $30 million venture capital focused on women of color-led businesses. Do you know what $30 million could do for Black women business owners and capital? Like, that's crazy. So I'll start with you, Renee. When you hear this, what are your thoughts when you hear that this is happening? What do you think?
Well, I think that as Black women, it's like we're being given, or we're being levied a perfection tax. Like when we are doing well, they're taxing us for going out there and striving and doing better than what they thought we were going to do. You know, they've locked us out, or they've pushed us out of corporate. And then we said, okay, that's fine. And now I'm going to start a business. And they're doing way better than they probably did in corporate, and they're getting their money. So it's like you said, it's demoralizing. It's they are finding all kinds of ways to keep us in some type of box to not make any money, period. And it's sad.